It don't mean a thing if it ain't got that swing. Do-wop, 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 wop, do-wop. It don't mean a thing if it ain't got that swing. Do-wop, 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 wop, do-wop. Makes no difference if it's cool or high, 'cause you just got to give that rhythm everything you got. Now it don't mean nothing if it ain't got that swing. Do-wop, 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 do-wop.
Right, Picasso? Right, Picasso?
Well, it makes no difference if it's cool or high, 'cause you just got to give that rhythm everything you got. It don't mean a thing if it ain't got that swing. Do-wop, 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 do-wop. Do-wop, 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 do-wop. Do-wop, 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 do-wop,
Yeah,
do-wop.
it's not as noisy as I thought it was going to be out here. It's quite nice. I like it. I like it a lot. A good place to hang out. Got 3 package stores within walking distance.
That's the favorite thing for you.
You can't get better than that.
3 liquor stores with a selection of wine that
Yeah.
people would kill for.
Yeah. Good selection of wine. Of course, after the sailing trip, I'm giving up wine.
Did you hear that?
Until
camera?
Thanksgiving.
Did you hear that camera?
Wow, the camera might have heard it, but you know, I do edit. I don't have to keep everything in. Right, Picasso?
¿Qué te importa que te ame si tú no me quieres ya? Si el amor que ya ha pasado no se debe recordar. Fui la ilusión de tu vida, un día lejano ya. Hoy represento el pasado, no me puedo consolar. ¿Qué te importa que te ame si tú no
Yeah.
me quieres
Blackmail footage.
I'm just looking for blackmail stuff.
Si el amor que ya ha pasado no
Yeah, you can say anything in front of me. You know I edit.
Yeah, but I wonder, you got some folder on your computer that's all the
All the
just titled dirt.
dirt.
So all those
Blackmail.
little snippets
All the
are.
little blackmail snippets.
Si las
For
cosas
when you need to, you know,
Yeah.
pull them out.
van a alcanzar, tú me quisieras lo mismo que 20 años atrás. Con qué tristeza miramos un amor que se nos va. Es un pedazo del alma que se arranca sin piedad. Es un pedazo del alma que se arranca sin piedad. desamiramos un amor que se nos va. Es un pedazo del alma que se arranca sin piedad. Es un pedazo del alma que se arranca sin piedad.
Water, not milk, not oil, okay? Not milk, not oil. Therefore, it's going to sink in a minute. You will forget that it's there, okay? It will leave you with a fresh and cold.
She's like hypnotizing him.
Wait a minute, that's good. He'll buy something. Keep going. He'll buy something from Annie.
Thank God I got perfect skin.
Okay, you see that?
I see.
Okay, so this one,
I can't work with him. I know.
he doesn't even let me explain to me. Understand?
Tell me.
Tucking is good here.
Honey, listen, just listen.
Listen,
This gel moisturize is the best thing ever for a caveman like you.
you got that right.
Okay.
Wow, you got that right.
Apply on the skin. Nobody will know that you're wearing anything. You still stay macho man.
And how much is that?
$179.
Oh, jeez. Oh, God.
Lord.
That's a lot.
That's hell.
Yeah.
Yeah, it does
So
hurt.
wait until you wear, you will hear my promotion, our promotion. You didn't even ask.
No, we didn't.
No, I didn't.
But he's listening. He's watching you. Decal over there is paying attention.
This
Co-owner.
one is gonna last you over a year, okay? But the great thing about this, that between the 6 to 8 weeks, you literally gonna see like it's peeling off your first layer of your skin, giving you like a new baby born skin. All those spots that you have here are gonna be gone, okay? They're gonna be disappeared, fade away. And then you're gonna look at your face and you say, oh my God, I'm like a teenager. See? There you go. Now this one is actually $79.99.
So you peel first and then you tone.
There you go, because you clean with the toner. And that, I can't lie, won't last you for a year. That will last you for only 4 to 5 months. And that one you have to do it every day. I mean, every day when you come back home at the end of the day, you just clean your face, not under the eye because of the one.